guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Tinovet. So in today's video I'll be doing a fall look, yes, with a new palette. I was supposed to introduce the palette on this video, but the video didn't come out the way I wanted it, but I decided to do a voice note. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this makeup look. So please do me a huge favor and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video, and also like, share and comment. Here I am drawing my brows and trying to define everything. That's what I'm doing right here. Okay guys, so I got this Revolution brush. My husband bought it for me from the UK, yes, because I could not order it here in Nigeria. So I'm going to be using Maybelline concealer and also MAC concealer to conceal my brows. That's what I'm doing. So this video was supposed to be like the sound was not what I wanted it. That's why I am doing a voice note. But this video I'm going to do another one where I'll be swatching the eyeshadow for you guys. Yes, it's a Revolution eyeshadow that Patricia Bright, she collaborated with them. These colors are so amazing guys, like so amazing. So I'm going to do another video where I'll be showing you guys all the color in the palette, because this I just need to upload video because it's been a while. So why I was laughing was because my brows was not going the way I wanted it. Brows cannot be twins. They are sisters, but they're not twins. So I'm just trying to make them look a little bit similar. Yes, that's what I'm doing. So I'm priming my eyes with my eyeshadow primer. So that the shades will pop up very, very well. I mean, these shades are gorgeous, guys. They are really, really gorgeous. So I decided to just do a fall look. I hope, rate me guys, what do you guys think about the look? So I used a brown shade. Then I'm using this orange shade. This orange shade is beautiful, guys. Well, I didn't like the way dry eye was, so I'm going to clean that one. So I started again with, first of all, the orange shade, then I'll use the brown shade in the middle, and you know how the rest of it goes. But right now I'm going to use the yellow shade to define my brows. What do they call it again? Brows. Oh my god, guys. Anyway, so I'm going back and front, and this Revolution brush, it's so soft, guys. It's really, really soft. Like, it applies so well. Like, this eyeshadow does not have fallout though, guys. This eyeshadow does not have fallout, seriously. Don't worry, I'm going to do a full reaction video about this eyeshadow look. Hopefully there will not be noise that day, because this video there was so much noise, so I'm doing a voice note. As you can see, I'm cleaning the other eyes because I did not really like the way it was. Then I went back and I applied my eyeshadow concealer, because I want to apply another color over there. There's this gold that was in this palette, like this yellow gold. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, guys. I don't know if it's coming out on this video, but in person is beautiful. I mean, literally beautiful, guys. So I cleaned the brush and I applied the yellow gold. Like, guys, this color is beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyway, let me stop crying. Like, it's so beautiful, guys. I love this gold. Like, hi. Don't worry, you will see what I'm talking about in the next video that is coming up. So anyway, so I'll just go back and front with all the colors. Yeah, I'm just smiling because I'm loving the look. You know, when you do something that you love so much and you are seeing your results, that is it. Yeah, and I'll just talking, praising Patricia Bai for the color, but oh my god, the noise in this video. Oh, okay. Anyway, I'm gonna do another one, sure. All right, so let's end. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I've ranted too much. Let's continue. So I applied my lashes and every other stuff out of camera. So now I'm using MAC Studio Fit finishing foundation. Yeah, I don't know why I'm forgetting this now. This brush, guys, is so good. Like, it blends very, 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 very well. The brush blends a lot. I used to use the brush to blend. I applied more foundation and blended everything out. It blends so good. Yeah, I'm using same concealer from same product MAC to conceal my everywhere where that needs concealing. Then I'm using also MAC eyeliner to line my waterline. And I'm going to blend with my blending sponge. Yeah, blend. You know the trick, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I love this eye look. It's so beautiful, guys. What do you guys think? What do you think? Is it good? Rate me, guys. Okay, I went back again because I needed this flawless look. I've applied powder on my face and I use Revolution lip stick. Yeah, with lips on my lips. So I'm dusting those out, like, god, this looks gorgeous. So I'm using finishing powder to finish the look, to finish all the look on my face. Yeah, okay, all right. So I think I will stop talking from here. Then I'm going to highlight my face. But first of all, I sprayed hydrate my face with also MAC hydrating. Then it's the highlighter, guys. So beautiful. It's good. Look, you have to glow everywhere. Glow. Alright. Bye, guys. Result. I know you guys cannot see the eye look very well, but anyways, yes, guys. So this is the end result of this look. This palette, if I am to rate this is a 9 out of 10. Because I can't really give it 10 out of 10, so I'm going to give it 9 out of 10. It's good. I love the mirror and everything. It's dope. Like, it's amazing. Like, amazing. Okay, I'm going to apply something. Okay. There's something like inner tear ducts. If you cannot, like, this is so good. Yeah. So guys, please do me a huge favor and smash the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and also like, share and comment guys. Alright, so to my next video guys, kiss kiss, love you guys so much. Thank you for the subscribers, new gang. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci. Ahoy. Bye, guys.